Good morning. I am Asha here from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Global Academy of Technology, Bengaluru. Today I am discussing on the linear programming problems. How to solve the linear programming problems using graphical method. In graphical method, we'll discuss about the unbounded solution. See, unbounded solution is a solution whose objective function is infinite. If the feasible region is unbounded, then one or more decision variable will increase indefinitely without violating feasibility, and the value of the objective function can be made arbitrarily large. To understand the unbounded solution, we'll take an example which says that maximize the objective function that is equal to 40x1 plus 60x2. Subjected to three constraints, 2x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 70, x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 40, x1 plus 3x2 greater than or equal to 90. A non-negativity constraint x1 plus x1 and x2 greater than or equal to 0. So first step in graphical method is to convert the inequality into equation. So we have converted inequality into equation by substituting the equal sign. Put x1 is equal to 0 in that equation and get the value of x2. Next step, x2 0 in the same equation, get the value of x1. So from the first constraints, we have the coordinates 0, 70 and 35, 0. x1 should be plotted along the x-axis and x2 should be plotted along the y-axis. Next, convert the second constraint into an equation. Put x1 is equal to 0, get the value of x2. x2 is equal to 0, get the value of x1. Coordinates are 0, 40, 40, 0. Third constraint, convert into equation, get the value of x1, x2, 0, 30 and 90 and 0. Now plot the graph. So first is 0, 70 and 35 and 0. So the first equation is 2x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 70. So 70, 0 and 35, 0. Connect these coordinates using this straight line. So red line represent the first equation. Similarly, second coordinates are 0, 40, 40, 0. So 0, 40, 0 and 0, 40. Connect them using a straight line. The green line represents the second equation, x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 40. Similarly, third constraint, the coordinates are 0, 30 and 90 and 0. So 30, 0 and 90, 0, connect them using a straight line. So blue line represent the third equation, x1 plus 3x2 greater than or equal to 90. How to draw these arrow marks? Consider the first equation. Consider any random point below that line. I am taking the origin, that is 0, 0. Substitute 0 for x1 and 0 for x2. So the value will be 0 greater than or equal to 70. If 0 is not greater than 70, so equation does not satisfy. So the arrow mark should be above the line or away from the origin. Second equation, x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 40. I have considered 0, 0 below that line. Substituted in that equation. So 0 is greater than 40. No, it doesn't satisfy. So arrow mark should be away from the origin or above the line. Third equation, x1 plus 3x2 greater than or equal to 90. So I take a random point below that 0, 0. So substitute in this equation, it becomes 0 greater than 90. So no, it doesn't satisfy the equation. So arrow mark should be away from that. See, if you see here, problem has an unbounded solution. In maximization problem, if this is the shaded area and it is open-ended, this means that the maximization is not possible and the LPP has no finite solution. Hence, the solution for the given problem is unbounded region. So, maximization means it can take this coordinate or this or this. So, it is not possible to get the particular solution. So, if you take the coordinates, get the z value, the problem is of unbounded solution because it can extend to any point. Okay, so the same problem, if the minimization they have asked, then get the coordinates of that, and in this table, whichever is the minimum value, get that is 2280. So the Z value minimum will be 2280. Maximization means for the same problem, you will get unbounded region. The same problem, if the objective function is to minimize, then you will get 2280. Thank you.